Hey guys, welcome back. Today in The Sims 4, I'm going to be trying to recreate Jenna Marbles. We all know her. Well, if you don't, you should. Alright, so I'm going to be basing this off a picture of her with bright red hair. So that's where I'll be at. She's got fairly tan skin in this picture. Go with that for now. Wait a minute. What is this? Why is this a dude? We need a girl. There we go. Alright. So, diving right in. Actually, this face shape isn't quite off at all. I just need to make the chin a little bit longer. It's actually pretty close to her face shape. I feel like. Okay. Perfect. Her eyebrows definitely have a different shape to them. So we're going to look and see what we can find. They have more of a... that's not really it. They definitely have a distinct arch. Kind of like this, but not really as wide. Not really what I'm looking for. I'm gonna change it up. Let's try this one. That's not too bad. Okay, so her brows are more of a brown color, but her hair is long and red. So let's do, ooh yeah, that's like perfect hair. And it is bright red. Yeah. All right. I almost wish it was a little bit longer though. What do we got? No. That one, kind of looks like it. Alright, that definitely looks way more like the picture that I have. Okay. So, I like that. We're going to choose an eye color. A little bit more of a grayish, bluish color. Unless they're more... I can't really tell in this picture. I think they're more of like a grayish color. Okay. And her lips. Let's see. Maybe a little bit more thin. No, not quite that thin. Okay, we're gonna give her lipstick here in a second. Okay, perfect. I like it. Ears are... There we go. That's probably right. Nice. Alright, lips. Let's make them red. Because it's got to match her hair. That's a bit bright, though. A little bit darker red. That's not really what I'm looking for. Nope. Okay, well, I guess we just stick with that red. That looks good. And I'm going to move down to some accessories. So let's give her some earrings. Looks like hoops. Definitely hoops. She's wearing hoops in this image, it looks like. Here we go. Cute. Alright, necklace. She's wearing a couple different necklaces, so maybe if I can overlay them onto each other. Oh, I can't. Okay. This looks probably like the most like the one she's wearing in this picture, so I'm just gonna change that. Perfect. Alright, I like it. Now clothes. Actually, let's do her body first. She's pretty fit person, if I recall. So that's probably good. Body, let's give her some, actually let's just choose like a more fit, but not like ripped. There we go. That's cute. All right, clothing. In this picture, she's wearing black on black, black shirt, black pants. If I can find anything that looks like it. This kind of does, but I need black on black. And I don't see any. Okay. T-shirts, jacket. Oops, no, go back. Black and red, black and white, black and brown. No. Not quite what I'm looking for. Let's see. What about this one? Well, that's the hardest part, is trying to find an outfit that actually resembles. Actually, there we go. Okay, that is actually perfect. It didn't look very cute from the picture, but okay, so we need some jeans that have like some rips in them. Actually, that's like actually perfect. Okay, cool. I dig it. All right, so shoes, she is wearing black heels, it looks like. These look kind of like them. Black. Pretty close. I mean, probably aren't going to get much closer than that. Although this green is clashing with it, though. I might just have to take that off. Okay, she's wearing a watch and a bracelet. So, can I put both of those on? Don't see. Oh, she is wearing a ring. I'll put a ring on that hand. And I can't put a watch on as well, I guess, because you can only have one item. So I guess we'll pick the bracelet I like better. Oops. There we go. That actually looks a lot like the one she's wearing. Cute. Okay. And the necklace. Necklace, I'm gonna pick like that one, I think, instead. I like that one better. So in this picture, she's also holding a purse, but I don't believe that I can add a purse. I don't think they have those on here. Nope, just hats. Alright, well there you have it. That is the closest I think I can get to the Jenna Marbles picture that I'm looking at. Yeah, I think so. I mean, she's smiling in this picture too, so it's hard to kind of tell what the jaw structure, if the jaw structure is right. Nose looks pretty good. Maybe a little bit like longer. Alright, well there you have it. That is my finished up Jenna Marbles, and I hope you guys liked it. Alright, I will see you next time.